Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure vendor invoices with HubSpot CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure vendor invoices with HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings section in the main dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Objects and select Deals. Next, choose Properties to manage your invoice-specific fields. Click on the Create Property button. Name your new property vendor invoice and select the field type as number. Add any additional fields necessary for your organization. Once you have created the required properties, proceed to the Deals section from the main dashboard. Open an existing deal or create a new one that corresponds to your vendor invoice. In the deal record, locate the section for custom properties you just created. Input the relevant details for the vendor invoice in each custom property field. After entering all information, ensure to link the deal to the appropriate vendor record. Click to save and update the deal with the invoice details. Next, navigate to the Contacts section of HubSpot. Search for and select the vendor associated with your invoice. Open the vendor record and locate the Notes section. Add a note that summarizes the invoice details and any pertinent information. Save the note to keep the vendor record updated. Finally, utilize HubSpot's reporting tools to track your vendor invoices. Set up custom reports to view invoice status and vendor payment history. By following these steps, you will have effectively configured vendor invoices within HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.